XREAL introduced a new sub-brand known as X by XREAL, XBX, starting with the two pairs of augmented reality glasses XPX AO1 and AO1 Plus. The new model focuses on reducing weight and lowering the entry price for wearable displays. The glasses of XPX AO1 uses semi-transparent nylon frame that shows the internal component, but XREAL's main focus is physical comfort and customization. The standard AO1 weighs 62 grams and you can remove the front frame to bring it down to 56 grams. The front frame is interchangeable, with XREAL offering optional styles like Classic, Sports, and Black Mirror. If you want more personalized look, the company is even offering 3D printing parameters you can detect and print on your own. XREAL says this lighter build cuts pressure on the nose by 30%. The temples are also 10% thinner and more flexible. For display, they use a dual Micro OLED screens with 50-degree field of view. According to XREAL, this gives you a 147-inch screen view from 4 meters away. The screen is 1600 nits of peak brightness, supports 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color and HDR10. It features a built-in chip that handles real-time SDR to HDR conversion to help reduce with eye strain. The display uses 3840Hz PWM dimming and has hardware-level blue light detection. The built-in stereo speakers include few basic audio profiles like cinema mode and whisper mode if you're in a quiet room. For travel, the glasses uses standardized algorithm that tracks posture 1000 times per second to keep the virtual screen steady while in a moving car trail. The A01 connects via USB Type-C to devices that support display port output such as phones, laptops, and handheld gaming consoles. If you pair them with XREAL Beam Pro accessory, you will get 3D OS tracking and floating screens. Pricing for the standard model is $250. The XPX A01 Plus starts at $265. The extra cost adds a physical light blocking cover and an exclusive surround sound audio mode. XREAL is expected to bring the lineup to the US in July with a starting price of $299.